Hey there, car enthusiasts and winter warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revving up the engine for an icy adventure. We've scored the automotive landscape to bring you 18 cool winter car inventions that are absolute game changers. Before we hit the road, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our chilly content. Let's dive into the winter wonderland of automotive innovation. Number 1. Heated steering wheels. Welcome to the cozy revolution of winter driving with our first gadget, heated steering wheels. Say goodbye to the icy grip of a cold wheel on frosty mornings. These heated marvels bring warmth to your fingertips, ensuring a comfortable and toasty drive even in the chilliest weather. Join me as we explore the technology behind this winter essential, transforming your car into a warm haven on the coldest days. Number 2. Winter tires with studs. Buckle up for winter's icy challenges with our next innovation, winter tires with studs. These are not your ordinary treads. They're equipped with sturdy studs designed to bite into snow and ice. Join me as we explore how these specialized tires provide unparalleled traction, turning your car into a winter warrior. Number 3. Remote engine start. Experience the convenience of winter mornings like never before with our next feature, remote engine start. Say goodbye to shivering while scraping ice off your windshield. With this game-changing gadget, you can start your car from the warmth of your home, ensuring a defrosted and ready-to-go vehicle by the time you step outside. Number 4. Ice repellent windshields. Banish the hassle of icy windshields with our next winter wizardry, ice repellent windshields. No more frantic scraping in the freezing cold. These innovative windshields feature a special coating that resists ice buildup, ensuring crystal-clear visibility even on the frostiest mornings. Number 5. Winter-specific washer fluid. Gear up for winter clarity with our next lifesaver, winter-specific washer fluid. Ordinary fluid may freeze, but this specialized concoction is designed to defy the chill. Stay with us as we explore how this winter warrior keeps your windshield clean and clear, no matter how low the temperature drops. Number 6. Snow chains. Conquer the snowy roads with our next winter essential, snow chains. When traction is key, these tire accessories are your go-to. Join us as we unravel the simplicity and effectiveness of snow chains, ensuring a steady grip in the winter wonderland. Number 7. Heated seats. Experience winter warmth like never before with our next comfort upgrade, heated seats. No more chilly rides. These seats provide a cozy embrace, turning your car into a sanctuary on frosty days. Number 8. Engine block heater. Prepare your vehicle for the winter chill with our next essential, the engine block heater. Say goodbye to cold starts as this gadget ensures your engine stays warm, making sure your car is ready to roll even in the coldest temperatures. Number 9. Winter wiper blades. Enhance your winter visibility with our next frost-fighting hero, winter wiper blades. Engineered for the harshest conditions, these blades ensure a clear windshield even in the midst of a snowstorm. Number 10. Snow melting mats. Transform your driveway into a snow-free zone with our next winter wonder, snow melting mats. No shoveling required. These heated mats do the heavy lifting. Stay tuned as we explore how these innovative mats make winter mornings a breeze, ensuring a clear path without the hassle of snow removal. Number 11. Thermoelectric cup holders. Keep your beverages warm on winter drives with our next convenient companion, thermoelectric cup holders. Say goodbye to cold coffee. These high-tech holders use thermoelectric technology to maintain the perfect temperature. Number 12. Electric blankets for cars. Ensure winter road trips are nothing short of cozy with our next travel essential, electric blankets for cars. Experience warmth on the go as these blankets plug into your car's power supply, providing a snug haven against the cold. Number 13. Portable jump starters. Banish the worry of a dead battery during cold spells with our next lifesaver, portable jump starters. Compact yet powerful, these gadgets ensure you're never stranded in the cold. Stay tuned as we explore the convenience and reliability of portable jump starters, your key to hassle-free winter driving. Number 14. Anti-fog coatings. Clear your vision during winter drives with our next visibility enhancer, anti-fog coatings. Say goodbye to foggy windows. These coatings provide crystal clarity even when temperatures fluctuate. Number 15. Snow roof rakes. Protect your vehicle from heavy snow buildup with our next winter guardian, snow roof rakes. Safeguard against potential damage by easily removing snow from your car's roof. Number 16. Winter emergency kits. Prepare for winter's unexpected challenges with our next essential, winter emergency kits. Packed with essentials like blankets, flashlights, and tools, these kits ensure you're ready for any icy adventure. Number 17. Ice scraper mittens. Stay warm and efficient during winter mornings with our next ingenious solution, ice scraper mittens. Say goodbye to freezing fingers. These mittens come equipped with built-in ice scrapers for a convenient and cozy de-icing experience. Number 18. Tire pressure monitoring systems. Ensure optimal tire performance during winter with our next safety feature, tire pressure monitoring systems. These smart gadgets keep you informed about your tire pressure, helping you avoid potential hazards caused by underinflated tires in cold weather. And there you have it, folks. 18 cool winter car inventions that are sure to make your winter driving experience a breeze. If you enjoyed this chilly exploration, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more automotive adventures.